ever since last year. Wow, 1 year na tayong nasa pandemya. Technically, we are still in quarantine. So, kung hindi mahalagang lumabas, hindi pa rin tayo pwedeng lumabas. The good thing is, there is one event we can all look forward to, and this is the Online Moto Festival. This is the first in the world na kung saan makikita-kita ulit tayo virtually. And this is gonna happen on 12 to 18, this 2021. And ang lupit nito guys, so pwede kang bumili ng motor, accessories, apparels, spare parts, anything basta tungkol sa motor. Kagandahan dito sa event na to is para talaga siyang event na pwede natin puntahan kasi pwede kang manalo ng items and pwede kang manalo ng mga motor. Yes, mga motor. Hindi lang isang motor kundi mga motor. So what you have to do is register right now. This is the link. I will also show it in the description. So, pwede nyong puntahan. Register kayo. Register tayo. Sayang malay mo, manalo ka ng bagong motor. Lalo na ngayon, kailangan natin yung pampasaya. Alright guys, see you sa Online Moto Festival.